And my understanding of the multiple dimensions of physics, I firmly believe ultimately we will figure out how to travel through time.
A big theme in your work is the future of humanity, technology, place, and space. My question, this scenario kind of sparks a lot of questions, but the first one is what ideas about the future of humanity and technology are you really exploring in these stories? And is any real world examples you can point to that kind of triggered this, storyline or beat or anything like that?
But then we go back to the science for just a second and we say, what happens if we try to change the timeline? So people speculate on this all the time, and that's all I'm doing. I'm taking speculation, but I'm applying the fundamental laws of physics. And one thing that we know is that everything has inertia. And so if we try and change something, then we have to deal with inertia. And so I'm speculating that if we try to change something on the timeline, we have an implication that is inertia.
Right.
Imagine there was a show, a movie about a guy called Indiana Jones, and we can all picture Indiana Jones running through this sort of gutter, and there's a giant boulder rolling right
Yep.
behind it. And so if you want to understand inertia, think about two things. One, think about how fast was that boulder rolling, because it's got so much mass moving at that speed. If it hits him, it's going to crush him. That's inertia. So everything
And you're
in
applying that
physics,
to time.
I'm saying that
Yeah, I
time
hadn't
has
thought
a
about that.
ripple
Yeah.
effect. And if we change things, how does it impact?
How
It's one of the things that we will probably have to understand really well when we get to the point where we can travel through time. And my understanding of the multiple dimensions of physics, I firmly believe ultimately we will figure out how to travel through time.